In this video-wise app setup guide for beginners, I will show you step by step how to set up the Wise app for beginners. First, open the App Store on your phone. If you use Android, open the Google Play Store. If you use iPhone, open the App Store. In the search bar, type Wise. Find the official Wise app and tap Install. After the app is installed, open the Wise app. Now tap the Sign Up option to create an account. Enter your valid email address. Create a strong password to secure your account. After that, choose whether you want a personal or business account. Now enter your personal information correctly. Type your full name in the required fields. Enter your date of birth when requested. Type your home address correctly. Review the information before continuing. Wise may ask you to verify your identity. You may need to upload a photo of your ID document. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete verification. After your account is verified, you can add money. Tap the Add Money option to fund your account. Choose the available payment method. You can also send money to other people. Tap the Send option to make a transfer. Enter the details of the person receiving the money. Confirm the amount and complete the transfer. After completing these steps, your Wise account will be ready to use.